Pluck hair from the scrotum rather than clipping. In kittens less than 16 to 20 weeks of age, plucking scrotal hair may be difficult. Use clippers to gently remove scrotal hair in these animals. Make a 0.5 to 1 cm incision over each one at the end of the scrotum from cranial to caudal. Incise the parietal V tunic. Digitally separate the attachment of the ligament of the tail of the epididymis to the tunic. For an overhand or figure 8 knot, the spermatic cord is tied on itself with the aid of a curved mosquito hemostat. Preferably, the parietal tunic is separated from the epididymis before tying the knot. Excise the second one in a similar fashion. Allow the scrotal incision to heal. By secondary intention,